In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Google Docs, how to sign your Google Docs using Docusign add-on, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll be able to place a legally binding electronic signature right inside your Google Doc and either send it out or save a signed copy to your drive, all in just a few clicks. Start by opening the Google Doc you want to sign. Make sure the document is finalized and clearly shows where the signature should go. If you plan to include a date or a small note, leave some space for those fields too. Next, go to the top menu and choose Extensions, then Add-ons, and click Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace where you can safely add tools to Docs. In the search bar, type DocuSign eSignature, look for the official add-on from DocuSign, open it, review the description and permissions, then click Install. You'll be prompted to select your Google account and allow the necessary access so the add-on can work with your doc. After installation, sign into your DocuSign account if prompted. If you don't have one, you can create it during this step. Back in your document, you'll see the DocuSign icon on the right-hand sidebar. Click it to open the panel and log in if you aren't already. If the panel doesn't appear, toggle the sidebar or refresh your document and try again. Now click Sign with DocuSign. When prompted, allow access so DocuSign can prepare your document for signing. This securely packages your doc and brings up a simple editing view for placing fields. You'll see draggable fields like signature, date, and text. Drag the signature field to the exact spot where you want your signature to appear. Drop a date field nearby if you need today's date recorded, and use a text field if you want to add a title or any extra information. Take a moment to align the fields and adjust their size so they match your document's formatting. Zoom in if needed to place them precisely on the signature line. When everything is placed, sign the document using the DocuSign prompt. Once you're satisfied, click Finish. DocuSign will process the signature and give you options to send the signed document or save a copy straight to your Google Drive. If you choose to save, you'll typically get a PDF with your completed signature. It's a good idea to open that file and quickly confirm your signature and date look exactly right. That's it. You've added a signature to your Google Doc using the DocuSign add-on quickly and securely.